can go down to the freaky downstairs. Who are you? I am your greatest nightmare.
That doesn't really answer my question. Who are you? You.
Oh, yes, master.
How about you stop being an idiot and put subject number 9 back in his cell?
Yes, master. Of course, master.
And you.
Yes, master.
Go and help him.
Of course, master.
Oh my god. It's you. The one who's tortured him. You're the mad scientist.
Why did he send you here? I'm perfectly capable of doing this myself. If that's true, then how come you haven't done it by now? And why is there a monkey here? He could make a great test subject.
Here's what I want you to do. I want you to get upstairs, never come back, and forget you saw anything. What are you gonna do to my friend? He's not your friend. Now I'm gonna tell you one last time. Go. Never come back, and forget you saw anything.
Yeah, master really wants to have a good test subject. Oh, whatever, let's just get this monkey back to his cell.
No. Excuse me? Who do you think you are? His friend. Huh? I will not let you do that. Well, you can stop me.
You keep messing around like this and I'll be your superior. Wait, what? What are you talking about? What gives you the right to talk to your supervisor that way? Listen here, old man. I'm tired of taking orders from you. If you keep messing up like this, the master will see that I am worthy of being the superior and not you.
What are you saying? You're gonna try to kill me?
If it comes to that, sure. But when the master sees I'm doing an amazing job and not you, I'm gonna be your master. And when I'm your master, I'm gonna become the master's master. You're insane for power. I guess. But to start my journey of being your master, I need to do this by myself. Wait, yeah! I am still your superior. You cannot do this to me.
Had enough? No! You can't take him away! Why was he doing it alone?
Master, you won't believe it, Master.
I should have known you'll screw up. You aliens are useless. I'll just do this myself.
Wait, Master, please, give me a second chance.
No! I got you, buddy. I got you. We won't be in that lab for long. It's okay. It's okay. Oh no!
I tried to be nice to you, but you wouldn't listen.
I can't beat him alone. Please, wake up. Help me. Please stop. You did this on yourself.
Fascinating. Leave. Alone.
Oh my god, that was amazing! Hey, you okay? Oh god, not again. It's okay. It's okay, we'll get you out of here. We'll get you out of here. There. Door locked.
be safe here.
It's okay. It's okay. We're all okay.
How long was I out?
Well, from the time that you just went all crazy on that crazy scientist guy, about 2 hours.
What are you talking about?
Wait, you don't remember? What's the last thing you remember?
Being in the kitchen attacked by that red guy.
So, you don't remember anything that you did?
No, what did I do?
You went like all crazy on all the enemies.
I think you're more in control of your powers than you think. I don't know, man. I don't know. What are we gonna do now? Just stay in this room for the rest of our lives?
I guess. Until you're ready to fight him.
Fight who?
The evil scientist.
No, I can't fight him. I don't know how to fight him. I don't even know how my powers really work.
It's okay. Remember, I'll train you.
Really? After everything you've seen, you still want to train me?
Of course. We can start tomorrow. What do you say?
Yeah, okay.
Whoa! Oh!
Oops, sorry. I see we have some work to do.